Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we're back on our resort hotel tour series of the Bahia Principe here in Riviera Maya. We're here at the Bahia Principe Grand Tulum, and we're going to take you on a tour here of this resort. So we're just out front of the main lobby here at the hotel. This is where the airport or shuttle transportation service will drop you off here at this roundabout. Alright, so I'm just heading into the main lobby now. This is actually one of my favorite lobbies here at the Bahia Principe hotels. The front desk and concierge service is wrapped around the middle here. All the staff members here are really excellent in terms of giving you a good customer service experience. Just to do a little landmarking here, if you walk through the lobby and out this back door here, that's going to lead you to the pools and onwards to the beach as well. If we head over this way to the right, this is going to lead us to the sports bar, teens club, theater, and then over to some guest rooms. And if we walk around over this way, just over to the left, down that hallway, it's going to lead us to the buffets and a la carte restaurants, and finally along to other guest rooms over there. So we'll start things off by heading down that hallway just there. I'll give you a little sneak peek of this resort map. So this is where we just toured. We started here and worked our way into there. We're going to work our way through here, just looking at the main buffet, but we did a full tour of the buffet in a separate video. Then we'll walk over this way and show you the Mexican restaurant and this pool over here. We'll come back into the lobby, tour the pool area, and then head all the way down here to this pool, the splash pad, this pool, and some food offerings here, and end just on the beach. So let's go take a look. Okay, so coming in the back side of the lobby and heading over this way, this is going to lead us down the hallway to the main buffet restaurant. Down this hallway here, just to the left, this is the Tequila lounge. So you can go in here, there you can buy cigars and different types of tequila. There's some washrooms just off the lobby here. And this is where the lobby shop is located. Yeah, all kinds of stuff in here, typical that you would see in your resort lobby shop. So carrying on down the hall now, we're gonna head over to the buffet, and there also is a washroom here too. And then one thing I want to point out too is if you're on the pool deck, if you want to access the spa, here's the staircase that accesses the spa right here. So heading down this hallway again, lots of stuff to look at here. There's some pretty cool like couches and small chairs, very modern style with this circular design. And again, this is going to lead to Yukatan and also our first a la carte restaurant, which is called Don Pablo, which is a gourmet restaurant. So this is the entrance to Don Pablo, and Yukatan is the main buffet here at Tulum. And this is where you're probably going to be eating breakfast and most of your dinners if you don't choose an a la carte restaurant. So we're going to just take a quick walk through the buffet, and we're going to end up on the other side. Okay, so now we're at the other side of the dining room. This is the exit door here, and it actually leads over to another dining room that they use for overflow and breakfast when the hotel is very busy. But also, this room is used for the a la carte Thali, which is the Indian cuisine restaurant. So from Thali, again, this is the exit to the buffet, and sort of our entry point towards the left side of the hotel and guest rooms. So coming down these stairs here, you could either go straight out here towards the beach area or hang a left, and that's going to head over to the different guest rooms. So we'll head down this way. We'll just show you guys a little bit of the updated and upgraded, or I should call them really renovated rooms. The rooms have all been renovated and refreshed here. We did 3 different room tours for the different categories of rooms here at this resort. And again, you'll find them on our channel. Alright, so this is the walking path we just came down, and here's a sign that kind of indicates where we're heading here. And here, it's going to lead us to the gazebo, which I'll show you that in just a second, and the pool and Mexican restaurant, and the beach bar over by this pool area too. So let's head down this path. But this is the gazebo here, and I'm pretty sure they do most of their weddings here too. And then across from that is Tequila. And Tequila is the Mexican themed restaurant here. Just carrying on down this path here. This is overflow seating for Tequila. If we carry on down this pathway here, just to note there is 2 bathrooms just right here. And this is leading us into the pool area here on the left side of the resort. One thing to note about this pool area is they have these little sunbeds right here too with shade above them. And the other pools don't have that actually, so that's like a little bit of a bonus to this pool. There is a pool bar just over here to pick up any drinks you'd like while you're staying at the pool. I just want to show you guys the beach here on the left side of the resort. So yeah, here's the beach. This is our first look at the beach here. There's lots of opportunity to kind of walk out slowly into the water, and there's lots of sunbeds here on the beach as well. All right, we're gonna head all the way back to the main lobby and take a look at the main pool area and then the right side of the resort as well. So let's head back to the main lobby. All right, so we're back in the pool area here now, and the main lobby's behind us. So we're actually gonna swing around here and then head over the right side of the lobby. So if we head down this right side, straight ahead this path, it's gonna lead us to guest rooms. Turning over to the left, this is where the sports bar is, or this is kind of what they actually call the lobby bar. There's lots of cool seating around the lobby bar here. There is a lobby bar itself just over here where you can pick up drinks. At nighttime, this is much more energetic and lit up really nicely. Just over here, there's a self-serve juice, water, cappuccino coffee bar just here, and then a couple little snacks. And then on the other side, there is some pool tables and foosball tables over here to play with your friends or family. So if we head down this staircase at the other side of the sports bar, this is going to lead to the entrance to the theater. Okay, before we leave this area, just want to point out too that there is washrooms here and here as well for the theater. And then just here, tucked in beside the theater, is the Teens Club. Coming up into the main pool area, I'll just give you a little lay of the land here. Just down here is this is the main activity pool, let's call it, because this is where the louder music is playing, and this is where they play a lot of the pool games. And then just ahead of us is the entrance or bridgeway to the little island where the main pool bar is. Just beyond the activity pool is the beach area. And then just over to the right side, we'll take a look at this in just a minute. This is where one of the snack bars is here on resort. So here's the main bar, La Isla. The bartenders are awesome here. So yeah, you get another view of La Isla here, the other side of the pool bar and the activity pool. And then over here is the other side of, this is like a semi-quiet pool. You actually don't hear the music as much up here, believe it or not. Okay, so we made it over to the snack bar area, and this is called Poolside Snack. So we just came up this little pathway here up to the main villa walkways. So again, there's all the gardens and the different villas. This is the right side of the hotel if you're looking from the main lobby area. And this is going to be where the truck is located. And this is a snack bar here at the beach area for the right side of the hotel. So here's the seating area here for the truck. So what you do here is you can use any of these like monitors that are usually turned around when it's open, or these big TV screens, and put your room number in and then order anything you'd like. So they have like tacos and nachos and French fries and things like that, quesadillas. And then they'll show you your orders being prepared, and when it's ready they'll call you up and you can pick up your food. They have a bar over here as well that you can grab a drink at. So we're starting to walk through and come to the last pool area. Just also want to point out that there is Bahia Spa here. If you want to book a massage, you can get a poolside or beachside massage. And yeah, this is coming towards our last pool area. I find that this is the pool where most families are going to hang out, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. But here's the pool area. All right, so here's the pool area, another look at it as we're walking through. And then here's the Zama fun area. As you can see, there's like really cool slides, lots of cool fountains. So this is a really awesome addition to Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. And it's a good reason why a lot of families book here is because of this splash pad area. And there's actually another splash pad we're gonna take a look at in just a second too. There's loungers all around here so you can watch your kids as they enjoy the splash area here. So next to the Zama fun area, or that splash pad just there is the kids club. And then carrying on down the path here, this is another kind of like, there's a dry land area and then also like another splash area too. So as you can see, there's some sand and stuff, like a little playground to play at. There's some small slides. And there's like a little, almost like a little ropes course for kids here. You can see some small bridges. And then this is the last area here. This is like a small swimming pool with some more sprinklers and fountains. And there's even some little characters, like there's a little grasshopper right there. And then there's some loungers here for parents to hang out at while their kids are playing. If we continue down this pathway right here, this is going to lead us back to the first splash pad we saw, the pool area, and then our last thing we're going to look at is the snack area over here, our last a la carte restaurant, and then finally the beach. If we look over this way, this is going to be where Andale Burger is, and at the moment Andale Burger is closed because it's only 10:30 in the morning. There is another set of washrooms there, but you could pick up a good little burger here at Andale Burger. And then our last thing we're going to look at is La Gran Tortuga, which will look at this final a la carte restaurant. So just beside Andale Burger, if we walk down this small pathway here, if we look over to the left, there's some additional seating, not right on the beach, but just a little bit back from the beach. There's like a dune in the way there. So if we come around this way, this is the entrance to La Gran Tortuga, and this is the sort of Brazilian or Rodizo style restaurant here. So turning around from La Gran Tortuga, if we walk down this small pathway here, you probably bet we're going to end up on the beach. So this is the Tulum beach here. As we go over there, we're getting more into the other parts of the resort. And if I turn to the left over here, this is where the main swimming area and beach area is for Tulum. There is a lot of people hanging out here on the beach, so it might be difficult to get a prime spot. Might have to come earlier in the morning and to get your spot for the day. And just pointing out too that Akumal Beach is just over there. There's a nice little lagoon over here. We also did a full tour of Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal, and you'll find that on our channel as well. And we did Koba and Shankan as well. So you can find all those videos on our channel. So yeah, that's gonna do it for our tour here of Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. An excellent resort for families. Still a good resort for couples if you enjoy the modern designs of the hotel. And hopefully you guys found this video helpful in taking a look at the resort. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.